Hi everyone, tonight is very different. This is for my granddaughter Imogen. She stayed with us a couple of weeks ago and we made her, or I should say I made her, an espresso martini. So I thought I'll take her through the steps so that now she's home, if she wants to make her and her fiance Frankie a martini, go for it. Yes, I've been to tennis today. Shout out to Riverside Tennis Club Salisbury. Woohoo! And my coach, Carolyn, head coach. Awesome. Right, anyway, let's get going. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a shot of espresso. So I'm going to grind some beans in there. Okay, I choose espresso and grind. So these are a good all-round bean. It's strength 4. We do like quite strong coffee, but these are quite soft. Really recommend them. Also recommend, if you're buying beans in this size pack, which is quite a large pack, you need something to store them in. They do, they don't do well in the fresh air. I do know people who freeze them, but we have a suction unit from Sage, a brilliant canister. You open your seal, and then you pull out the suction inside there, top it up with your beans, keeps it airtight, really airtight and really fresh. So that saves the life for your beans. Worth doing if you're spending a lot of money on coffee. But like I say, you don't need to have this bit of kit. This is, the beans are on the top and it does basically everything for you. Right, so okay, we've got beautiful ground coffee beans there. Okay, beautifully tampered. It tampers it for you as well. So it's just going in there. I'm going to click on espresso, okay, and I've done the grind, so I'm only left to brew. Put in a little brew cup under and set it on brew. Normally about 7 seconds, just come in, 7 seconds. That's it, guys, espresso made. For those of you who are interested, this is a double boiler machine. A lot of boilers are the single boiler. This means it also, when I need to steam milk, the second boiler comes in and takes care of that. It does make a difference in the performance, okay? So we've got a lovely, lovely espresso there. Okay, so it's very simple. 3 components. Well, 4 if you count the ice. I've just about filled the shaker. Important because I'm using hot espresso. Lots of people will make an espresso, shove it in the fridge, let it cool down. I prefer it this way. I find I get a better crema on it, but let's wait and see. I'm using tonight Absolute vanilla, so it's vanilla vodka. I like Absolute. I just like the quality of the vodka. And the other ingredient is one of our favourites, Kahlua. So it's very well known. Lots of people, we drink it actually with a slosh of cream on the top. It's very delicious. Okay, and measurements. So I'm actually putting the coffee in last. So I'm going, it's basically, it's the same parts vodka to Kahlua. So it's the large digger in over your ice. Same with the Kahlua. Now, these are large cocktail glasses, okay? So if I was doing 2 full cocktail glasses, I would double that. But I don't feel we need to. We need to get up in the morning. And this time I'm probably going to pour most of that in there, just to make sure I get the crema. Okay? And my husband's looking at me in disgust, so I'm going to add a little bit more vodka. So I'm going to go with the small one, because we are actually dividing this between 2 glasses. So that would be 1 large jigger, 1 small jigger. And the same with the Kahlua. I absolutely believe in trying to make them even, and that's why I always get a balanced result. Some of the cocktail channels that I do watch, they do an uneven. And I've tried lots of them. I just don't like the result as much. Okay, I don't actually like these shakers, but this is my husband's. He loves it. I can never get the stuff out of it. But here we go anyway, so. Okay, that should be enough. Now, crazy thing. Whew. Okay, here we go, and we pour. Do you want to have a look in there, folks? Okay, strainer on so that the ice doesn't go in. Let's just get the other one. Now look at that crema, guys. And that, I believe, we get because the coffee is hot. When I've used the cold espresso, I do not get anywhere near the crema that I'm getting out of this tonight. That smells so good. Right, I'm just going to finish it off. Just going to take a couple of coffee beans. And that, to me, looks gorgeous. And what a way to end the night. I'm actually on annual leave tomorrow, so it's a good way to start, isn't it? So mine's a small one. So what I'm going to say, guys, is I'm going to try it, and that looks great. Oh God, that's so good. Treat yourselves. And you don't need a stupid fancy shaker like that. You can just go out and buy a Tesco's one, and it's got a screw top on. It's easy, and it gives you the same effect. So anyway, try it. And Amy, that's how you make espresso martini. Love you, Amy. Bye for now, guys.